What if there was a place where time slowed, where the mist clung to towering eucalyptus trees like whispered secrets, and where nature's song played uninterrupted? This is the heart of the Blue Mountains National Park, New South Wales, Australia. A sanctuary of rugged cliffs, deep forests, and forgotten trails. But today, our journey goes deeper, beyond the ridges and into a valley wrapped in myth and wonder, Megalong Valley. Just 2 hours from the home of Sydney, Megalong Valley feels worlds apart. Here, nature breathes. The air is thick with eucalyptus, and the ground hums with stories of Aboriginal dreamtime, of pioneer settlers, and of those who come seeking something more than just a view. But what is it about this valley that pulls travelers in and refuses to let them go? The road dips and winds, revealing the first breathtaking sight. The Megalong Valley stretching wide, golden pastures rolling toward the mist-covered mountains. Sunlight filters through the eucalyptus trees, their leaves shimmering silver green. You step out of the car and inhale the air, crisp and tinged with the scent of damp earth and wildflowers. Before diving into the wild, there is a ritual here, a stop at the Megalong Valley Tea Rooms. A plate of warm, freshly baked scones arrives, the butter melting as you spread thick, ruby-red jam. The tea, dark and fragrant, steams in the cool morning air. Conversations drift around you, travelers and locals alike exchanging stories of the trails that lie ahead. With the valley now calling, we step onto the 6-foot track, an ancient route first carved in the 19th century. The path stretches ahead, winding through towering ferns and past century-old trees. Here, you're walking where early settlers once rode on horseback, where Aboriginal guides once traced the land's veins, knowing every hidden stream and rock formation. The deeper you go, the wilder it becomes. Shadows shift between trees, and you sense unseen eyes watching. The land is alive with movement. Lyrebirds scratching at the earth, their calls mimicking the sounds of the forest. Somewhere above, a wedge-tailed eagle circles, scanning the valley below. And then, the Megalong Creek emerges, its crystal-clear waters carving through the valley floor. The coolness rushes over your skin as you step in, smooth pebbles shifting beneath your feet. The sound of the water is hypnotic, and for a moment, everything else fades. There's an old legend here, one the locals speak of in hushed tones. They say at twilight, shadows move differently in the valley. Some claim it's the spirits of the Gundungurra people, watching over their sacred land. Others whisper of wild things that never left the forest. But it's just a legend, right? Night is creeping in, and the valley is changing. The warm gold of day has deepened into deep purples and inky blues. The once familiar trail now feels different, less inviting, more watchful. The sound of the creek fades, and the forest grows still. You pick up the pace, unsure why. The trees seem taller, their branches stretching like fingers toward the darkening sky. The path, was it this narrow before? The feeling of being followed is undeniable. And then, a wallaby, just a wallaby. You exhale a nervous laugh, watching as the creature disappears into the undergrowth. But the feeling lingers. The valley holds its secrets close. Then, salvation. The forest opens up to a hidden clearing, bathed in moonlight. The valley stretches before you, vast and ancient. The distant lights of farmhouses twinkle like stars scattered across the land. The silence here is not eerie, but sacred. A peace settles in your chest. You realize now, Megalong Valley is not just a place. It's a living story, woven from the land itself. It holds the footprints of those who came before and embraces those who dare to listen. By dawn, you make your way back. The valley, which once felt untamed and mysterious, now feels like an old friend. The air hums with the promise of a new day, and the Megalong Valley Tea Rooms, once again, offer warmth and comfort. Some places never leave you. Megalong Valley is one of them. It lingers long after you've gone, whispering in your dreams, calling you back. Because once you've walked its trails and breathed its air, a part of you belongs to the valley forever.